Now what do you fellas want to do?
Let's get something to drink. Head to the ravine.
It's so 1987. Don't you fellas think we ought to have a little mix for this stuff? It says right on the label, don't drink it straight, blindness might result.
It's night. Who needs to see?
What time is it?
It's 11:30.
No, seriously, what time is it?
I'm serious, it's 11:30.
What? Fuck, I was supposed to be home a half an hour ago. Where did the time go?
Ah, like a gently bubbling brook sliding under the bridge, time simply slips away.
You considered a career at the Hallmark greeting card outfit?
This is serious.
Don't tell me you have a curfew. What for?
Last time I got drunk.
So what? You got drunk. What kind of life is that if you get in trouble for drinking?
Emancipate yourself, my son.
You've been listening to your mom too much, O'Brien.
What's the story with the line?
What kind of story are you looking to hear?
One with a happy ending to me getting in?
Depends.
On?
How fast I let people in.
Any thoughts on what kind of gatekeeper mood you're in tonight?
Huh?
Are we talking 10 minutes, 2 hours?
Longer. The people at the back won't get in.
Why don't you tell them to go home?
Why don't you?
Have a good life.
What?
I said have a good night.
Pat!
Ah, Mr. McNulty, the regular?
Yes, please.
Tony here, he's not busy.
Neither am I.
Pat?
Relax. Rest assured. Pat is not gonna let my nephew here, Tony, mess you up. Everything's gonna be okay. I'm here watching, giving instructions. It's just like I'm cutting your hair. Don't worry, okay? E taglia piano e delicato, eh? Piano, piano. E guarda cosa fai.
What in the name of God happened to your hair?
I forgot about the peanut butter, the stairs creaked, I stepped on the cat, and went from incriminating to providing the rope to hang myself. And by the time I fell down the stairs, my mother knew I'd been drinking.
What does that have to do with hair?
Oh, the church my mom goes to has rules against drinking.